Hello everyone. Very quick video on the version 4.6 of KNIME Analytics platform and in particular what it did for Python. I think it's made it a lot easier and I will show you how. So as usual you come to download KNIME here, and then the previous step would have asked you about your details, and of course there's no problem giving your details to KNIME because since in the return they're giving you a free version of great software. Now after you've gone the installation, usually I pick this option because it's just self-extracting archive, no installation, no dependency on administrator access to your computer, very easy. And after you've done it, you open KNIME, and by default it doesn't come with this. So to get them you need to come here, install KNIME extensions, type Python or the first few letters, and we will be interested in this one. There are a couple of others that are interesting and you can read about them separately, but that one is the core to give you the Python functionality within KNIME. The second most important one is probably here, and if you select it you will see that this is experimental version to give you significant performance improvements in Python with KNIME. But for this particular video we'll just focus on getting that one. Then you click the next button and go through the installation process that I've already done. That is relatively easy. And after you come to preferences and type Python correctly. Now if you remember, I had 3.6 version of KNIME before, and when you come to Python configuration you see this. So you need existing version of Python environment somewhere, and you need here you point KNIME to that environment. The significant step, and I might be wrong here that it comes from 4.6 version of KNIME, maybe it happened earlier, but this is what I saw. And what I saw is this new environment button. So what I've done before, I pressed this button and it gave me like in this case it's cancel py3.9, so that's what it created before, and it gives you the Python version and so on. So, and this is the new functionality. You don't need to mess around with conda Python installation. It will just allow you to create your own just within KNIME. Now let me know if it doesn't work for you in your comments, but this is how I see this version of KNIME has made a significant improvement. We cancel from here, and then it allows us, let's just test by dropping one of the key Python nodes, go in, and you need to pay attention to messages here. So it says successfully loaded input data into Python, which means it can run Python behind the scenes and everything is working fine, and it's ready for you to drop your own code here and do something custom within KNIME. Excellent, and that was the point of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you